Hey everyone, welcome to this video where we're diving into one of the simplest and most effective ways to manage your money in 2025, the 50-30-20 rule. Whether you're looking to save more, pay off debt, or just get better at budgeting, this method can help you organize your finances and take control of your future. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip to make this rule work even better for you. Let's kick things off with a quick overview of the 50-30-20 rule. It's a budgeting formula that divides your income into three categories. 50% for needs. These are the essentials you can't live without. 30% for wants. Things that make life enjoyable but aren't necessary. 20% for savings or debt repayment. This is the money that builds your future. This simple framework helps you stay on track and avoid overspending, no matter your income level. Let's break it down step by step. First up, we have the needs category. This is where 50% of your income should go. Needs include rent or mortgage payments, groceries, transportation, utilities like electricity and internet health insurance. If you're spending more than 50% here, don't worry. Start by reviewing your expenses to see where you can cut back. Maybe it's finding a more affordable place to live or cutting down on energy usage. The goal is to make room for other financial priorities. Next, let's talk about the fun part, your wants. This category is for non-essentials like eating out at your favorite restaurants, subscription services like Netflix or Spotify travel, and leisure activities, shopping for new clothes or gadgets. The trick here is to distinguish between a want and a need. For example, groceries are a need, but ordering takeout is a want. Minor sacrifices in this category, like cooking at home more often, can give you extra cash to save or invest. Finally, the most important category, 20% for savings and debt repayment. This is your ticket to financial freedom. Here's how you can use this money. Build an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months of expenses. Invest for long-term goals like retirement or buying a home. Pay down high-interest debt like credit cards or personal loans. If you're just starting out, don't stress about hitting the full 20%. Begin with what you can, even if it's just 5%, and increase it over time. Small, consistent steps make a huge difference. So, why is the 50-30-20 rule so effective? It's simple, flexible, and works for everyone. Whether you're earning a steady paycheck or have a variable income, it keeps your spending in check while ensuring you're saving for the future and still enjoying life now. This rule isn't about being perfect, it's about making progress. And the best part? You can adjust it as your income and goals change. Here's your bonus tip. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account or investment account right after you get paid. This way, you're prioritizing your future without even thinking about it. Now it's your turn. Take a look at your income and start applying the 50-30-20 rule today. What's your biggest financial goal for 2025? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss tips like these to grow your finances. Thanks for watching, and remember, small steps today lead to big results tomorrow. See you in the next video.